Can I earn money from YouTube? How much? Is that really possible? What are the requirements? So in today's video we will discuss all of these topics and you will learn more how to legally earn money from YouTube. Let's dive in. So in this video we will discuss how to earn money from YouTube. And the first question is, what are the requirements to get money from YouTube and get my channel monetized so I can earn money? Well, the answer is, the first thing you should be sure from that your country. My country? Not all of the countries can earn money from YouTube. There are some countries which the community guidelines of YouTube don't go with. So in the description, I'm going to leave a link of countries where YouTube partners are available. So check it out. You should have 1,000 subscribers at least, and it should be from 12 months ago. Yeah, right. You should have 4,000 public watch hours in last 12 months ago. You should have an active AdSense account. Now, creating an AdSense account will usually take 48 hours, and if you want me to make a video on that, so make sure to comment in the description and I will make a video on that. You should have not any copyright issues or any strikes on your channel. So if you're asking for monetization of your channel, or even if you got monetized your channel, so make sure to create and upload your own videos. Even the background music or the music which you choose for your videos, it should have no copyright issues. So what can I do in that case? You can handle that from YouTube search or from YouTube library. So in that case, you will have no copyright issues in your videos and get monetized as soon as possible. Whoa, how long will it take? Well, it depends. Some of people take a week, some of them a month, some of them months, some of them years. In my case, I just took 2 years to get monetized my channel. Now, once you are eligible and completed 4,000 watch hour times and 1,000 subscribers, what to do? What is the next step? Well, there are 3 steps you must do to get monetized. You should go to your YouTube channel, to YouTube studio of your channel, then monetize or monetization. Then there are 3 steps that you have to go through, and step 1, accept YouTube guidelines and terms and conditions to join YouTube partnership. You should have an AdSense account and integrate it with YouTube. So in case you don't have an AdSense account, you can create within 48 hours an active AdSense account, then integrate it with YouTube and it will be in process, and sometimes it will take a day, then or automatically the step 3 will activate. The step 3 is YouTube will take a look on your channel if you have no copyright issues and no issues in your channel, so your channel get monetized as soon as possible. What? You still stuck in step 3? What are you doing? I have the solution of that in this video. I'm going to put a link in the description, so make sure to check this video. It will help you to get your channel monetization within 3 hours, as same as I did. You still didn't subscribe my channel? And where's your thumbs up? Well, bell notification, don't forget it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.